So right now I'm in my Gmail draft folder, and from this draft folder I'm going to delete some random draft mails just like so. And now I will show you how to easily recover deleted draft mails. So click on more and go to trash folder, and all of your recently deleted draft mails will be stored in this trash folder for 30 days. So within 30 days, we can easily recover any deleted draft mail. All you have to need, select one or multiple deleted draft mails, and here click on move to, and now select a folder or level where you want to move all of your deleted draft mails. I'm selecting here this secret folder, and that's it. All of my deleted draft mails have been restored. And now I'm going to the level or folder, and here we can see I've successfully restored deleted draft mails in this folder. Thanks for watching.